All right, everybody, here's Emo out and about again. We're in Ann Arbor, Michigan. We're at Veterans Memorial Park. We got a skate park here. It's raining today, so we can't do much skating, but here's the park. Let's go in and we'll just walk around and show you what it looks like real quick. You got your rails. Comes into a little corridor. Really cool. Come down the box, got some steps. Another set. Super fun park to skate. This thing's awesome here. A little belly. You got your lips. Here's a little bit long view, pretty sweet. A little rain, damper in my day, but park is awesome. Up another level. Got some rails. We're really getting to see this bad boy now. Got your first bowl. All right, we're up here on a long view of the park. Looking pretty sweet so far. Let's keep going. These are super fun bowls. Super fun. This one's got the roll-in right here. I love the roll-in one. This one's badass. Would you skate this? I know you would. Just fun everywhere. Park super clean too. Always stays like that. Just look at how fun that is. This is one of my favorite places to skate. There's a few in Ann Arbor. This is one of them. Emo Vids taking you on another fun one. We're out at the Veterans Memorial Park. God, these hairs keep coming in my mouth. I don't know. Anyways, if you're in the Ann Arbor area, stop out at Veterans Memorial Park. Bring your skateboard. It's worth the trip, right? Take a look. It's a little rainy today, but oh well, I'll catch it next time. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit the like button. Subscribe to me, man. Something, right? I'm pretty sweet sometimes. Anyways, have a good one. Peace out.